If your job hunt feels like an endless loop, SHIVAM Computer Education is your reboot. At SHIVAM, we don't just teach computer skills, we build careers. Our job-oriented courses like MS Office, Tally Prime+With GST, and graphic design are designed to get you employed fast. Worried about the complexities of learning? Relax. With SHIVAM, learning is simpler and more accessible than ever. Our friendly instructors break down each topic into easy-to-understand segments, ensuring you grasp every concept. But we don't stop at education. We offer dedicated job placement support, helping you to land the job you deserve. Imagine walking into your dream job, armed with skills that set you apart. Join the thousands of successful alumni who have chosen SHIVAM for their career advancement. Enroll today and take the first step towards a brighter future. SHIVAM Computer Education, where learning meets opportunity.